नमस्कार, वेलकम टू OPSC OS A to Z. So 2017 OPSC OS प्रिलिमिनारी क्वेश्चन पेपर 1 रो क्वेश्चन नंबर 85 जाए आम लास्ट वीडियोज कवर कर सारी जो मैंने भी देखी ना प्लेलिस्ट को जाकि कवर कर। सो लेट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 86. What for OTEC stands? Options are Odisha Thermal Energy Corporation, Ocean Temperature Energy Conversion, Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion, Organization of Thermal Energy Conversion. Its correct answer is Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion. Ocean thermal energy conversion is a process or technology for producing energy by harnessing the temperature difference between ocean surface water and deep ocean water. Mostly it is found in tropical region because surface water can be much warmer than deep water there, and this temperature difference can be used to produce electricity. So next question ko jiba, question number 87. Bronze is a alloy of copper and nickel, copper and iron, copper and tin, copper and aluminum. Bronze is a alloy of copper and tin. Option C is the correct answer. से भाई बाकी alloys केतोटी important alloys हुए देखी नवा. Brass is made up of copper and zinc, and your stainless steel, which is most important, is made up of iron, chromium, निकेल एंड कार्बन. डू रिमेंबर दिस. आयरन, क्रोमियम, निकेल और कार्बन को लेकिन आपंकर स्टेनलेस स्टील आलय बना जाए. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे जाए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 88. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन ओर ऑफ आयरन? ऑप्शंस आर सिडेराइट, मालाकाइट, बॉक्साइट एंड एंजलसाइट. इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज सिडेराइट. सो आयरन रो गोटे कोर हूँ सिडेराइट. से भाई आयरन बाकी ओर्स मान को देखी ना जोटा हेमाटाइट, मैग्नेटाइट, लेमोनाइट एंड चास्मोसाइट्स, पाइरेट्स यही सब हूँ आपंकर आयरन ओर. मालाकाइट इज ओर ऑफ कॉपर एंड बॉक्साइट इज एन ओर ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम एंड एंजलसाइट इज एन ओर ऑफ लेड इज ए. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जब क्वेश्चन नंबर 89 को. सिल्वीकल्चर इज द art and science of cultivating herbs, art and science of cultivating grasses, art and science of cultivating flowers, art and science of cultivating forest trees. Its correct answer is art and science of cultivating forest trees. So option D is your right answer. से भली apiculture देखिले it is the science of raising honey bees, and pisciculture is relating to fish farming, and vermiculture is related to earthworms. Pomology is related to fruits. Horticulture is related to art of cultivating plants in gardens to produce food and medicinal ingredients. Floriculture related to flower farming. से भली नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 90 को. एरिड फॉरेस्ट रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट इज सिचुएटेड एट. ऑप्शंस आर नागपुर, जोधपुर, कानपुर, फतेहपुर. इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज जोधपुर, राजस्थान में आपणकर एरिड फॉरेस्ट रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट अच्छी. से भाई इंडियन वेटेनरी रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट कौटी अच्छे आपणकर बरेली यूपी रे, एंड नेशनल डेयरी रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट आपणकर अच्छी कर्नल हरियाणा रे. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जब क्वेश्चन नंबर 91 को. It is thought that dozens of ships and planes are disappeared under mysterious circumstances in the area. The most people, it is an area of bad luck or extraterrestrial activity. This area is known as. Options are Bermuda Triangle, Cuba, Puerto Rico, Gulf of Mexico. यार करेक्ट आंसर होची बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल, जोटा कि आपंकर आटलांटिक ओशन रे सिचुएटेड अच्छी. ताकू भी डेविल्स ट्रायंगल कहुए. द रीजन बिटवीन फ्लोरिडा, प्यूर्टोरिको एंड बर्मुडा मोस्टली ताकू कहुए डेविल्स ट्रायंगल. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जब क्वेश्चन नंबर 92 को. ब्लीचिंग पाउडर यूज्ड इन फिश पॉन्ड इज वर्किंग एज. ऑप्शंस आर डिसइनफेक्टेंट, स्टेरिलेंट, स्नेल कंट्रोलर, पैरासाइटिस्ट. तो यार करेक्ट आंसर हूँ डिसइनफेक्टेंट्स. तो ब्लीचिंग पाउडर आपणकर डिसइनफेक्टेंट भाव में काम करे. मोस्टली या कहुए कैल्शियम हाइपोक्लोराइड CaO Cl2 यार केमिकल फॉर्मूला. सो नेक्स्ट जी क्वेश्चन नंबर 93 को व्हाट इज ए फिशिंग गियर ऑप्शंस आर मोटराइज्ड बोट्स वुडन बोट्स ऑप्शन सी डिवाइसेस यूज्ड टू कैच prawn and lobster such as nets traps hooks and even hands none of the above यार करेक्ट आंसर होची ऑप्शन सी डिवाइसेस यूज्ड टू कैच prawn lobsters such as nets trap hooks and even hands so next question को जीवा question number 94 the approximate lifetime of common electric bulb is 1000 hours whereas the approximate lifetime of an LED bulb is its correct answer is option D 50,000 hours. LED bulbs are more efficient than your normal common electric bulb. So next is question number 95 को the safe threshold limit of CO2 concentration in the atmosphere in ppm is options are 350 600 800 and 1000 its correct answer is 350 parts per million the safe threshold limit of carbon dioxide concentration in atmosphere is 350 parts per million so next question number 96 को the detection of gravitational wave on 14th September 2015 by the LIGO collaboration from the merger of two black holes is the fast direct detection of gravitational wave and the fast observation of binary black hole merger. This provides evidence for the correct answer is option B Einstein's general theory of relativity. So the first ever direct detection of the gravitational wave has been made by the researchers working on the advanced laser in interferometer gravitational wave observatory or LIGO in USA. LIGO ର full form है laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory. So next is question number 97 को what is a syngas? It is a gas mixture of carbon monoxide S2 carbon dioxide and N2 it is a gas mixture of CH4 O2 and CO it is a gas mixture of CH4 carbon dioxide N2 S2 and O2 it is a gas mixture of S2 and O2 its correct answer is option A it is a gas mixture of carbon monoxide S2 carbon dioxide and N2 syngas is produced as the result of gasification of carbon containing fuel to a gaseous product that has heating value and syngas has 50% of the energy density of natural gas and hence it can be burnt and used as fuel source. Refinement of syngas before use allows carbon dioxide to be stripped from the raw gas thereby enabling the use of carbon dioxide in enhanced oil recovery process. So next is question number 98 को which committee has been constituted by the union government to continuously monitor the solution to air pollution. Options are Burelal committee, Sunita Narayan committee, C.K. Mishra committee, Harshvardhan committee. Its correct answer is C.K. Mishra committee. It was established to monitor the solution to pollution and Harshvardhan committee aimed to review the existing state of mortgage backed securities in India and suggest measures to develop a market further. The next question को जिबा question number 99 को the two major functional components of any ecosystem are energy flow and producer, nutrient cycling and energy flow and decomposer, population, consumer and energy flow. यार correct answer होची option B nutrient cycling and energy flow. The flow of energy through different trophic level आपनकर जेमती आपनकर first trophic level आपनकर अच्छी primary producers थांती second trophic level रे herbivores then third रे carnivores after that final trophic level रे आपनकर decomposer थांती से मानक थ्रू रे आपनकर energy flow हुए and this is also a nutrient cycle. So next is question number 100 को extinct, critically endangered and vulnerable are the categories assigned to the species by UNA, IUCN, FAO and UNEP. यार करेक्ट आंसर अच्छे IUCN, इंटरनेशनल यूनियन फॉर कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेचर एंड नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस जहाँ को आम कहे. Its headquarter is in Gland, Switzerland, and it was found on 5th of October 1948. UNO को असले UNO is United Nations Organization was established in 1945 and 193 members countries are there. It has 6 organs, that is United Nations General Assembly, United Nations Security Council, United Nations Economic and Social Council, and Secretariat, Trusteeship Council and International Court of Justice. So it is mainly built for maintaining peace and security around the world. Next is FAO pakhku. This is Food and Agricultural Organization, is a specialized agency of UNA and UNO and established on 16th October 1945. Its headquarters is in Rome, Italy. Its aim is to achieve food security for all and make sure that people have regular access to enough high quality food to lead active healthy lives. So next is UNEP, United Nations Environmental Program. यार हेडक्वार्टर आपणकर अच्छी नैरोबी केनिया. डू रिमेंबर दिस हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ UNEP और यूनाइटेड नेशन एनवायरमेंट प्रोग्राम रो नैरोबी एंड केनिया रे अच्छी. एटा एग्जाम रे बहुत थर आसी. इट वाज फाउंडेड इन 5th June 1972. So it is a platform for the environment focusing on the sustainable development, climate and biodiversity and more. So thank you. एठी अपन 2017 रो प्रीलिम्स क्वेश्चन पेपर 1 कवर हो सारी. सो नेक्स्ट आम स्टार्ट करवा 2018 रो प्रीलिम्स पेपर 1 रो क्वेश्चन को लेके. सो थैंक यू.